Okay, let's go ahead and put this here. What's up, guys? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details with another unboxing slash brief review on a product here. I'm excited for this. It is the 29th of January 2021. It's about 4 in the morning, almost 5. Listen, I've always wanted an action camera, but my money's been caught up. I've been spending money other places, so I didn't really want to invest $400 on a GoPro Hero 9. I was going to buy a open box one for Best Buy for $350, and I was like, you know what, no, I'm just gonna spend $200 on this and hey, see what it's like. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's like to go into Best Buy in 2021 and say, hey, I want a DJI Osmo Action. From a lot of the firmware updates that I've heard about, it's a much improved camera than it was when it was upon release. Okay, how do you open this? Okay, don't judge me, guys. See, so now you know when you open it, hey, there's a tab right there. And okay, I'm cutting that. Okay, wow. Okay, so as you open it, that's it. You get this. That is obviously, that's neat because it's like a soft material here that I'm assuming is to protect the lens here. So you have a little box that comes out that opens up like moi. This is going to have everything in here, your pamphlet. What is this? It's going to have your what is that? It's going to have your battery in a little case. It's going to come with, let's see what this is. Okay, I'm assuming, oh, that's interesting. It's a Type C. That's great. Okay, awesome. I think this is something for the mount, but this is awesome that it's a Type C cable. Assortments of little sticky, but assortment of just little mounts. It's just cool. It comes with. I'm not going to use these, but and here is the camera. Let's put this to the side because it seems like that's all that you're getting. So I'll go ahead and move everything here. I'm going to need the battery in a second. And there it is. It actually feels really good in my hand. It feels very good. Alright, so I'm going to figure out how to put the battery and everything in, and we're going to see how fast it is to boot up for the first time. Alright, well, I changed my mind. I said, you know what? As I got to finicking with it to figure out, hey, how do you put the battery in? And I noticed they have like this outer casing. I wanted to show it because that's pretty cool, and it's just something that if I just skip this, it'll be, to me, just skipping a large portion of the process. So at first I'm like, man, this is kind of cool how it is, And I'm like, this looks like a case. Actually, it is. It comes with a protective case on the barrier around it. I mean, and what you do is you lift up here. You lift up here. Listen, I did this like twice, so everything from here, me and you guys are going to be doing this together. I have not done. So you lift this here, and then you push out. At the first time you did it, it was kind of not hard, but it wasn't just it was kind of, I had to put my nail here and pull, and then bomb, and then after that, oh man, there's the action camera. Okay, you know how I am, or maybe I'm not a veteran, but I'm very big on how products feel. This feels great. Again, this is my first action camera, so the GoPro 1 might have felt like this, I have no idea, but to me this feels great. For someone who's never held one, this feels good. Okay. You have a layout button on the top that says DSIP with a power icon. You have a red dot, which I'm assuming is for record. You have a QS button here, which I don't know what that is. And then here is, I don't know what this does, but we will figure it out. I'm assuming obviously this is where the battery goes. And we're gonna go ahead and do that together. A lot of times nowadays these things have juice in them, so I'm sure this will have some. Let's just make sure we're doing it correctly. Okay. Huh. You see how that just clicks right in? That was neat. Completely flush. That was neat. So we'll go ahead and peel this off. Peel that off. Peel this off. And turn it on. Okay, little red light right here. It lit up red somewhere here in English. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate this and then I'll be right back. All right, I just thought it'd be easier to kind of, I guess, show you guys firsthand. Listen, it's on 4K 30 right now recording. Well, not recording because I have to look for my SD cards. I have a lot of them, but we just moved, so it's somewhere, and I'm pretty ticked off. I might just go buy one, you know, later on today. But for someone who's never operated this was very simple to set up with the DJI software. Once you took a picture of the little thing and did everything, or if you don't take a picture, go to the website, yada yada yada. Very simple, very smooth, and you know, like for instance, switching sides is so simple. I mean, switching cameras. It knows, like if I go like this, the camera flips. I don't know how it knows, because just there it wouldn't do it. And it's a quick, seamless transition. See? Turn, I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3. It's quick. I'm actually really happy with this camera so far. Once I get the SD card in and able to, you know, do things with it, I'll be able to really tell you guys my opinion on it. But just from my early just walking around and looking at what it looks like just on this screen for what I'm doing and the responsiveness on the touchscreen, I'm so happy I didn't spend the $400 or $500 on the GoPro, because I was. And you know, I already have the Crane M2 I'm going to be using with this, and so, you know, I just have to get, you know, some other accessories and I'll be good to go. I'm very happy. Alright guys, I'm going to do some test shots on this from an amateur, or not an amateur, a beginner, newbie, which is moi, and you know, to show you guys what it would look like if you're a newbie and you go and get it, what it would look like, you know. So alright guys, well, I appreciate it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so this is more of a test on the DJI Osmo Action camera. Just some test footage. I want to see what the quality is at 4K 30 FPS. And yeah. So what's the quality like? What do you guys think? Is it a good quality camera? Looks great from the preview on the little small screen, but again, I don't know how this is going to play back. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Drop the comment on below.